Wash your feet with this mixture before you go out and you see things happening in your life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. In this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you, messages that will make you to pray the right prayers for fast answer. You doing them yourself with faith, believing that things like this will work for you. You see things working perfectly, just like a magic. So if you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, wash your feet with this mixture before you step out, before you go out, to bring so many good things into your life. So this is for those that desire anything, just anything in their life. If you desire promotion, if you desire success, any kind of success, if you want open doors, if you want God to protect you, anything you desire, so you have to make use of it so that it will work for you. Your faith is highly needed. That is number one. Your faith is 100% needed. Even if your faith is little like this, okay, you can do all things. Believe in God that God will pass through those things and help you and be a blessing to you. Also, you following the instructions, okay, just follow the instructions for them to work effectively. So if you love it, go ahead and subscribe, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So I'm going to be sharing with you some few ingredients you can find in your kitchen, natural ingredients that have lots of spiritual benefits to them, that when you make use of it spiritually, okay, it's going to help to make your wishes to come to pass. Anything you desire, it will come to pass. It's very important to channel your prayer points as well, because this will not go without prayers. You need prayers, you need faith, and you also need the presence of God. You know, inviting the presence of God into this to make it very effective. Without the presence of God, it will not be complete. Of course, it will not be complete. So before you go out any day, like first thing before you go out, you have to wash your feet with this mixture so that anywhere you go, you will receive success. Anywhere you go, you will receive favor. Anything you desire, it will be so positive. So the ingredients will help to get rid of anything bad luck, anything negativity that will make good things not to come into your life. So the first item you should get is honey. Honey is purely natural and highly spiritual, but there are some that are more spiritual, okay, than the others. Like natural ingredients are highly spiritual than non-natural things. Honey is packed with supernatural powers, like good powers that will help to sweeten your ways, sweeten your life, making anything you desire, any good thing you desire to manifest. There is no way you can use honey to plan evil for anybody or for yourself. Honey cannot bring bad luck to you. Honey cannot bring misfortune. The only thing it brings is good things. So that is why I've picked honey in today's remedy. And you applying your faith, inviting the presence of God into it, it will make it manifest faster. If you do not have honey, just get sugar, okay? Sugar is also sweet. It will make everything about you sweet, attracting favor and so many good things to you. So another one you should get is salt. Salt gets rid of negative energies, anything like bad luck, premature death. You know, it cleanses, it purifies. That is the first thing, like the main thing it does. Salt cleanses, gets rid of anything bad luck following one, making one not to get good thing in life. For this particular one, you can make use of sea salt, you can make use of ordinary salt. So here is sea salt, you can see it, okay, it's countable. It's not that granulated like your usual salt in the kitchen. So this is sea salt, but you can make use of any one you can find, but not a colored salt. Please make use of a plain white salt. So salt, like I said earlier, it cleanses, it purifies, it has a protecting power. So you inviting the presence of God into it, you see it like working accordingly the way it should be. But without the presence of God and without your faith, it will not work. And also prayers, okay? Just follow the instructions, okay? If you feel that your mind has not made up for this particular work, please just do not do it. Wait until your spirit tells you to do, until God leads you. So that is why before you try any spiritual work, invite the presence of God. Tell God first that this is what you want to do. Okay? Just wait. Do not rush. So you start having some feelings. If the feeling is negative, do not try it. If the feeling is positive, you can go ahead and do it, and it will work for you by the grace of God. Though some people that are under attack, maybe people does not want you to progress, they don't want good thing for you. You may start having feeling that this is not good. You may decide that you don't want to do it. So just make sure you talk to God, pray over it for God to lead you, because you may have that feeling, negative feeling that I shouldn't use this, and maybe this is supposed to help you. That is also a serious attack, that anywhere you go you can never find solution. So just pray over it so that God will lead you. So when those negative energies, negative things let go of you, you see that your life will be full of so many good things. Anything you do will start working for you. So that is what salt will do by the grace of God. So the third one is water. You have to get water, add it into a clean bowl. Okay, just get water, put it in a bowl. The first ingredient to add is honey. Add honey or sugar. Remember, do not add these two together. Okay, it's not as if you add it together any problem, no, but these two works the same thing, so no need of adding them together. Add only one, either honey or sugar. So just add about 1 tablespoon of sugar into a bowl or a bucket of water. If it's sugar you want to make use of, add 1 tablespoon as well. So for the salt, you have to also add 1 tablespoon of salt. Use any salt. Then you have to use your right hand to mix. As you are mixing, you have to be telling God what you want. Okay, remember, you want to go out, you know your heart desire, you know what you need. Before you try anything, okay, just tell God to forgive your iniquities, that you want to make use of this, that you want it to work for you, that anywhere you have wronged God, knowingly or unknowingly, that God should pardon your iniquities, cleanse you, and get rid of any problem following you. That this is what you want to do, that you want it to be effective, that God should open doors for you, make a way for you where there seems to be no way, that thing that you are going out to look for, that I want it to be fruitful, that I want it to be full of positivity. Okay, so be mixing it and be praying, be mixing it and be praying. When you are done, you dip your feet. Even if you have had your bath before, no problem. Even if you have, applied a cream, no problem. Just place your feet into the bowl or into the bucket of water, in that mixture. Then start praying. As you are washing your feet with that water, be praying. You can decide to place your feet, the two together into the bowl as you are washing it, or you can just put 1 foot each after washing a foot before you wash the other foot. So be praying as you are washing it, be praying as you are washing it. Tell God what you want, and you, with your faith, things will work perfectly. You go out there and succeed. You come back home with success. Success will follow you. Good luck will follow you. People will remember you for good. Wash your feet with this mixture and you see what will happen. Good things will follow you anywhere you go, and you receive success all the time. Do this in the morning, okay? Anytime in the morning. It shouldn't be in the evening. But in case maybe you want to go out in the afternoon and that is the first time you want to step out, you can do it. But not when the sun has gone down, like not in the night. So just do it and you see God working marvelously in your life. After washing your feet, pour that water away. You can pour it anywhere, okay? And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.